Hello, my name is Muhammad Fatur Rahman. I will going to present an English project with a computer them and inside the computer. Let's start. Computer. This PowerPoint project with the theme of a computer in I made was to educate and provide information related to the greatness of technology called computer, which is getting more and more rapid. Next, what is computer? A computer is an electronic device that processes and stores data. It performs tasks based on software instructions such as a calculation, browsing, and communication. Computer convert data into useful information, making them essential in various fields like business, education, and healthcare. History of computer. Computer began as large machine using vacuum tubes in 1940. Advancements like transistor and microprocessor made them smaller and faster. Today, computers are powered by artificial intelligence, revolutionizing industries and daily life. Type of computer: desktop, powerful, stationary computer for home and office use. Laptop, portable and convenient for personal and professional use. Tablet, compact device mainly used for browsing and media. Server, manage data and resource for network. Supercomputer, extremely fast, used in research and simulation. Next component of computer: 1. CPU, the brain of the computer. Processor process instruction. Monitor, display visual output. Keyboard and mouse, input device for user interaction. RAM, temporary storage for quick data access. Storage, hard drive or SSD, store files and program. Next, function of a computer: input data entered via input device. Processing, the CPU processes the data based on software instruction. Storage, data is saved in memory or storage device. Output, processed data is displayed on the monitor or brain. Next, importance of computer in education, enhance learning and access to information. In business, use for communication, management, and productivity. In healthcare, manage patient data and assist with diagnosis. In entertainment, enable gaming, media creation, and content consumption. Next, the future of computer: artificial intelligence. Computer will become more intelligent and autonomous. Quantum computing will solve complex problems faster than today as computer. Load, IoT. More devices will be connected to the internet, making them smarter. The future holds vast possibilities for innovation and efficiency. Next, inside the computer. What's inside the computer? Next, introduction. A computer may look simple from the outside, but inside it contains various components that work together to make it function. These internal parts process data, run program, and store information. Understanding them helps us know how computers work and how to use or improve them more effectively. Next, CPU. 1. CPU, the brain of the computer. The CPU, central processing unit, is the main chip that processes in instruction. It performs calculation, manages data, and controls the execution of program. The CPU has two main parts. One, ALU, arithmetic logic unit, handles math and logic operation. Two, CU, control unit, direct the flow of data and instruction. Faster CPU improves system performance, especially for multitasking and running complex applications. Next, motherboard. The motherboard is the main circuit board inside the computer. It connects all internal components such as the CPU, RAM, storage, GPU, and power supply. It contains chipset that manage data flow between the CPU, memory, and device. The type of motherboard determines what kind of processor, memory, and device you can use. It also includes port for USB, audio, and display connection. Next, RAM, temporary working memory. RAM is short-term memory that stores data and instructions currently being used. It allows the computer to work on multiple tasks quickly without accessing slower storage. When you open a program, it loads into RAM so it can be accessed instantly. RAM is volatile, meaning its data is erased when the computer shuts down. More RAM means better performance, especially for gaming, video editing, or running many apps. Next, storage device. Storage device permanently save your files, application, and operating system. The common type: one HDD or hard disk drive use spinning disk offers large capacity but slower speed. Two SSD or solid state drive uses flash memory, is faster and more durable but more expensive. SSD help the computer boot faster and load apps quickly. Some computers use both HDD and SSD to balance storage and speed. Next, power supply. The PSU converts AC alternating current from the wall outlet into DC direct current for computer component. It distributes power input to the motherboard, CPU, GPU, drive, and fans. A reliable PSU is essential for system stability and safety. Power rating is measured in watts higher, and systems with graphic card require more power. A bad PSU can damage hardware or cause crashes. And conclusion. The conclusion of these two themes is that computers are very important and even very helpful in daily life. Know what is all technology, but computer will also not be meaningful or will not be useful if they are not equipped with some important component contained in the component, because some of these components are very helpful for the performance of the computer itself. Thank you.